Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the Aussie yen, right? So I'm staying away from Canadian pairs, I'm staying away from dollar denominated pairs because why? There's going to be a lot of high impact news coming out from Canada, and also the inflation jitters, right, coming out from the US. Okay, so what I have here is Aussie yen on the long term, right? Really long term on the monthly. Now I just want to show you guys that price is at a key resistance level. If I'll take a retracement from this high to this low here, price is currently flirting at a 78.60 key retracement level. It is also a strong support turn resistance, right? Now why I took to this point here instead of this spike, because this spike is an unnatural one, right? So most likely due to news. Okay, so just remember price is at a very key level. Now let's quickly go down to the daily. So because price is at a key level, we can see that on the daily this area becomes a very strong resistance zone, right? This entire area here, in fact, if I were to draw it properly, right, we actually have a resistance zone around this area. Okay, and we can also draw an ascending trend line support. We see that price really is in a squeeze, right? So let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, right, since price is at a strong resistance zone, what I'm thinking price could do is price could continue to fluctuate, right, in this sort of manner, right, until it reaches the apex of the squeeze. Then it explodes out upwards or explodes downwards, right? Because this intraday, so we actually do have quite a bit of leeway, right, to actually play, okay, any small moves here. Okay, so price has been testing this resistance. Price is holding above this ascending trend line support. Price could make one push down to this level here, this trend line, before making another push up to the last swing high. Okay, so what we have is on a 4 hour. Just remember, this is a very nice trend line that's holding price, so I'm just going to edit it a bit. Okay, and this is a resistance zone, so just remember this zone here with the monthly, and I'm just going to put a swing high level somewhere over here. Okay, so let's ignore the monthly level. This is the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour price looks a lot nicer, right? Holding above this ascending trend line support. Try to touch as many lines as possible. We can do a retracement of the last move from low to high, and we can see that this graphical overlap support, this 61.8 here, is in line with the trend line should price actually drift lower. Yep. So price can push lower before any chance of a bounce, right? So our negative 61.8 is also in line with our 4 hour target, so this also becomes another resistance zone. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to highlight the 61 and negative 61.8. Okay, so we're looking for a bounce, right, to play a bounce over here on an intraday basis. Okay, so this can be our bullish buy entry, possible buy entry. Of course, stop loss very clear, just below market structure, okay, to prevent ourselves from being stopped out prematurely. So very nice risk reward. This can be the final take profit of the day. Alright, with an initial take profit at the recent swing high over here. Last but not least, we can also look at indicators such as stochastics or RSI. Okay, stochastics probably do not tell us much, except for the fact that it is actually bouncing off support, right? There is also an ascending support here on stochastics as well, right here. Yeah, and every time price comes to test this level, okay, we should see a reaction. There's also another reaction level over here, right? So every time stochastics test this level, we see a reaction. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day on Aussie yen. Wish you guys all the best, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.